Let us discuss about the paragraph writing chapter, the first chapter in your invitation 3. In our previous class, we discussed about how to write a paragraph. Means what is the meaning of paragraph? Paragraph means it is a combination of the related sentences. So already we discussed one paragraph which is related to butterflies and moths. How the butterflies they are different from the moths and how they are from the same chain. Okay. In this class, we will discuss about how to write a paragraph or as well as how to arrange the sentences. So, in any paragraph writing means it is, suppose it is related to your, suppose the paragraph writing it is related to your, you will get one unknown passage in your examination. You have to write answers of all the questions which is available in that unknown passage. Means we have to do certain things and we have to, within the time limit, we have to give answers of that paragraph. Means how we will go through that. First one is read it carefully. Understand the meaning of paragraph. Then go through the questions available in unknown passage, and fourth one is read it again and again through the skimming and okay students. So any paragraph writing it is related to your information transfer. Paragraph writing you will get questions in your unknown passage in your second year. So how, suppose you will arrange the sentences in the paragraph or you will give the answers of the questions of any unknown passage, how will you will give the answers within the time limit? That's most important. जेकोसी पैराग्राफ राइटिंग चैप्टर आम कहीं पढ़ुचे बोले ना आमर गोटे अननोन पैसेज आसो सेकेंड ईयर रे सेटा होची तुम 10 मार्क्स रोचे 5 मार्क्स वोकाबुलरी भी रोचे 15 मार्क्स रोचे तुम फर्स्ट ईयर रे पिले तुम अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस रहिबो जोटा कि रिलेटेड टू द पैराग्राफ राइटिंग. सो जेकोसी भी आम पैराग्राफ लिखिबा पैराग्राफ रो केतेटा बेसिक जिंस आमको निहाती भावे करिया को पड़िबो. To give the answers in the unknown passage, we have to learn certain things that how you will give the answers within the time limit. आमे किछि समय भितर देखो पिले 10 मार्क्स को आमे no doubt we will not time management it's most important in your English examination. English exam रे कोन हुए पिला जानी थांती but they are not able to attend that due to they are giving more time to these passages. Okay, so how we will read the paragraph, understand the meaning within the time limit, and after that we will arrange the sentences which is available in your invitation 3 and which is related to your activities. Okay, let us discuss about this. So paragraph writing, it is first one is we have to read it carefully. When you will go through any passage, our first duty is we have to go through the passage carefully, means each, and we must not skip each or any other line in the paragraph. This is the first criteria. Second one is understand the meaning of the paragraph. When you will find out the errors error correction, that your 15 marks is there, you have to understand the meaning of the paragraph. In your information transfer, you have to understand the question. In the unknown passage, you have to understand the paragraph. So, understand means what? You have to know the meaning. What is the base? What is the content? What is the gist of this paragraph? Okay. Next one is go through the questions. Suppose you will attend the questions in your paragraph writing. To paragraph writing, it based on we can use it in different directions. Arrangement of the sentences also it is related to this paragraph writing, because already I told you a paragraph has a introduction, a paragraph has a introduction, there is a middle, and there is a conclusion. In any paragraph, that based on there is a introduction, there is a middle part, and there is a conclusion. So we have to understand the meaning of the paragraph. Then we will go through the questions and answers which is available in the paragraph. Next one is, this is the most important part in your paragraph writing, that is called the skimming and scanning. What is the meaning of skimming process? How you will read the passage carefully within the time limit, that's most important. That is hard work and smart work. You know students, hard work and smart work means hard work जोटा कि आमे बहुत परिश्रम करथाउ. स्मार्ट वर्क मीन्स विदिन द टाइम लिमिट आमे से कामटा को कंप्लीट करथाउ. आमे ओटिको स्मार्टली वी हैव टू हैंडल द क्वेश्चंस. आमे कोन करिबा, प्रथम रे पैराग्राफ को रीडिंग कर दबा, नेक्स्ट कोन करिबा अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग, नेक्स्ट कोन करिबा गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चंस. जो क्वेश्चंस हमको पैराग्राफ रे दिया जाय छि से क्वेश्चन थ्रू जेबा. नेक्स्ट वन इज योर स्कीमिंग एंड स्कैनिंग प्रोसेस. This is the most important part in your paragraph writing, that is your skimming and scanning. What is the meaning of skimming? Skimming means, you know, when we will go through a, you know, newspaper, okay? Suppose newspaper reading is the example of newspaper reading is the example of skimming process. जेते बड़े भी पिला आमे न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग करिबा, आमे केबे भी न्यूज़पेपर को जो 15 पेजेस की 20 पेजेस थाउची पिले, is it possible to go through the each and every line? It is not possible to go through the each and every line of particular newspaper. So that is called the skimming. Means we just go through the important points. We just go through the important points or important headings. So like this we have to go through the paragraph. Paragraph writing means it is the, we will first go through the skimming process. Skimming process means go through the important points. आमे जेतो गोटे paragraph पढ़िबा बेले तार important point कोन अछि आमे ताको फास्ट नोट करिबा. You just take a pencil, जेतो आमे प्रैक्टिस करछ ना पिले गोटे पेंसिल धरिबो, जोटा तुमको फील होची जे ए पॉइंट ता इंपोर्टेंट बोली तमे सेठी अंडरलाइन करो, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड द स्कीमिंग प्रोसेस. इन एवरी पैराग्राफ राइटिंग it is related to the skimming process, to go through the important points of the paragraph. Next one is scan. What is the meaning of scan? तुम किसी गोटे स्कान करिया जाऊच पिले कंप्यूटर शॉप को ताहले कौन होची तार जहाँ भी डाटा अच्छी से कॉपी पेस्ट होके आछी दैट इज कॉल्ड स्कैन एग्जैक्ट तुम सेमती जस्ट ओवरऑल पॉइंट ओवरऑल पैसेज को रीड करिवा और पैसेज रो इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स को नोट करिवा दिस टू थिंग्स आर मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट इन पैराग्राफ राइटिंग ओके so already we discussed many more points about the paragraph writing it is the combination of the related sentences a paragraph has an introduction there is a middle there is a conclusion in a paragraph when we will answer the questions in paragraph we have to read it carefully we have to understand the meaning and we to give the answers of the questions first we will go through the questions then we will go through the paragraph through the skimming and scanning process then we are able to give the answers within the time limit so this is all about the just little bit introduction about the paragraph writing okay next we will discuss about how to arrange the sentences okay arrangement of sentences so like this when in your first year you will get the questions at the time of your examination which is related to arrangement of the sentences how you will arrange the sentences in a proper order आमे गोटे sentence गुडा को केमिति proper order रे लिखा जाइथिबो like combination of the sentences it is called a paragraph arrangement of the sentences it is also related sentences we will find out in the arrangement of the sentences in arrangement of the sentence what type of question you will get let us discuss what type of question you will get suppose you will get 3 to 4 sentences you will get in your question and what are the duties what is our duty first duty is to understand the meaning of the each and every sentence arrangement of the sentences देखिले हमको 5 टा 6टा सेंटेंस देथिबो आमे ताको प्रॉपर ऑर्डर रे अरेंज करबा सेति के होचे हमर ड्यूटी तमर जेमते जंबल्ड वर्ड्स थाउचे सेमतिका जंबल्ड सेंटेंसेस थिबो तमथिबो सेंटेंस एपट सेपट हेके लिखा जायथिबो सेटा को आमे प्रॉपर ऑर्डर रे लिखिबा सो हाउ यू विल राइट दैट लेट अस डिस्कस फर्स्ट वन इज टू अंडरस्टैंड the meaning of to understand the meaning of each and every sentence to understand the meaning of each and every sentence how you will arrange it then you will find out then we will think about this which one is in the introduction which sentence is in the introduction part which sentence we will put in the middle part and which sentence we will write in the conclusion part then we are able to arrange it in proper order. Is it clear, students? See, when you will arrange any sentences, in the arrangement of the sentences, what you will do? प्रथम रे हमको कौन करियर अछि बेले to understand the meaning of each and every sentences. Means 3 to 4 sentences, sir, you will find out in your question. Our duty is go through the each and every sentence and understand the meaning of the of each and every sentence. Then in any arrangement there is an introduction, there is a middle part and there is a conclusion. So how you will write it, let us discuss about this. Okay. Next, let us discuss about our text. Already I discussed about this one. Okay. See students, here in our previous class we discussed as each paragraph deals with only one main idea. Okay, one main idea. What is the meaning of one idea? Let us discuss about this. One idea, one paragraph. One idea, one paragraph. What is the meaning of one idea? Means a paragraph based on one idea. Means there is a, means all the sentences related to that one idea. One idea means गोटे पैराग्राफ रे आमे पांचटा जिंस मिसी के लिखि परिबने पिले सिंगल पैराग्राफ रो गोटे आइडिया थाए मींस द व्हाट इज द कंटेंट ऑफ दैट पैराग्राफ व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ दैट पैराग्राफ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट पैराग्राफ मींस ऑल द सेंटेंसेस मस्ट बी रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट थिंग इन एनी पैराग्राफ राइटिंग तो हमर बुक रे कोन देला पिले वन आइडिया वन पैराग्राफ वन पॉइंट वन पैराग्राफ ओके नेक्स्ट लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट दिस See, one main idea regarding it becomes easy. The reader can understand the points which one main point ends and another begins. There is a paragraph break which provides the rest of the reader's eyes and minds. There is a paragraph in the unit of composition which main idea is developed with the help of necessary supporting details. We must remember 1.1. We must remember 1.1 paragraph. Let us discuss about 1.1 paragraph and what is the meaning of supporting details. Okay, let us discuss about this. So one idea, one paragraph. Next it mention 1.1 paragraph means one point means you suppose anyone will give us one caption that morning shows the day. This is the proverb or the empty vessel sounds much. Suppose this is the caption, we will write the paragraph which is related to that empty vessel and sounds much. We will not mix up all the other contents in that paragraph. आमे जदि paragraph writing रे लिखिबा how the trees give off oxygen, how the trees helpful for the humankind means we have to write down all the benefits of the trees plantation. ट्री प्लांटेशन इन आवर अर्थ आमे बेनिफिट्स गुडा लिखिबा तार तो किछि डिमेरिट्स ही नै तो वी हैव टू राइट डाउन ऑल द बेनिफिट्स व्हिच द ह्यूमन बीइंग गेट थ्रू द ट्री प्लांटेशन. सपोज द टॉपिक इज ट्री प्लांटेशन. सपोज देखो पहले केमती हमर वन आइडिया वन पैराग्राफ हो जे लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट दिस. ओके, वन आइडिया वन पैराग्राफ वन पॉइंट one paragraph. Okay, see, suppose your title is tree plantation. So our topic is tree plantation. So in this topic, how we have to prove that 1.1 paragraph and what is the meaning of supporting details. What is the meaning of supporting? What is the meaning of supporting details? तो हमको भी बुझे अछि पिले 1.1 पैराग्राफ कोन आउ सपोर्टिंग details tomorrow. Let us discuss about this. Okay. Suppose हमें tree plantation ऊपर रखिए अभी. First we will write down what is tree. Okay. What is tree? Okay. Its benefits to the human being. Okay, means what type of things we generally get from the tree, like that we will mention in the benefits, like the wood, timber, okay, oxygen, and how it gives us means what are the different merits are there. It benefits also, the merits are there. Only merits are we will find out in the tree plantation. What is tree? How does it benefits? What type of things we got from the tree? It's not benefits, it's the products we got from the tree. Okay, so here the products we got from the tree: wood, timber, oxygen. Okay, this is not the product, this is the air we generally need for our respiration system. Okay, and next one is the benefits of tree plantation. It saves us from the flood. Okay, from different type of natural disaster. Okay, what is tree? What are the products we got from the tree? What are the benefits? How? Next, we will give the conclusion. Human life. Here it's a question arised that human life, is it exist without tree? Human life, is it exist without tree? See students, suppose this is the one point. Tree plantation, this is the one point. One point. And this is related to the one paragraph. 1.1 paragraph. Everyone understood this? 1 point means this is the point. The point is tree plantation. Okay? And 1 point, how it is paragraph means you will write down this, that tree, it is the, there is no more existence of human being without the presence of tree. When we will think about the benefits, we got each and every type of benefits from the tree plantation. It gives us the oxygen, which is really highly essential for the human existence. We got timber, wood, wood plugs, okay, wood plugs, and we are making furniture through the help of these woods, and we are getting many more benefits from the trees. And there is no more chance of human existence without the help of this tree plantation. So we have to plant the trees for the betterment of the human race. So this is called the paragraph. Okay, see, 1.1 paragraph. So in every paragraph, already we discussed what are the supporting details. Now it's a question arises in our mind that what is the meaning of supporting details. See, what is the meaning of supporting details? 1.1 paragraph तो हे गला पे तो हमको भी डिस्कशन करियर अछि जे supporting details कहा कहा जाए. Okay, see, supporting details. plantation, this is the main point of this paragraph, or this is called the topic sentence. What is tree plantation? This is called the topic sentence of the paragraph. Okay. First we will discuss what is the meaning of topic sentence and what is the meaning of supporting details, and how these two things are interrelated to each other. Topic sentence means, see, the main sentence in the paragraph. Topic sentence means the main sentence in paragraph. So how we will know that this is the which one is the main sentence in the paragraph? Generally, the topic sentence is at the beginning of the paragraph. Generally पिले sentence रो जेते topic sentence माने कौन जो सेंटेंस गोटे पैराग्राफ रे मुख्य भूमिका नहीं थाए, दैट इज कॉल्ड ए टॉपिक सेंटेंस. इज इट क्लियर? सो हियर द मेन सेंटेंस इन द पैराग्राफ इज कॉल्ड ए टॉपिक सेंटेंस. जोटा होची गोटे पैराग्राफ रो मेन सेंटेंस ताको आमे कोन कहू? टॉपिक सेंटेंस बोली कहू. आ सपोर्टिंग डिटेल्स का को जे गोटे पैराग्राफ लिखिबा पई पिले गोटे व्हेन यू विल राइट डाउन एनी पैराग्राफ, which sentences help us to make that paragraph, they are called the supporting details. So in this paragraph, what is plantation? This is called the topic sentence, and all the products, benefits, human life experience, these are called the supporting details. Means number of supporting details we will find, number of supporting details or supporting sentences, supporting details we will find out in a paragraph. Details, supporting details we will find out in a sentence. We will find out in a sentence. Number of supporting details we will find out in the sentence, but there is only one topic sentence. बहुत गुड़े topic sentence, supporting details गोटे sentence गोटे paragraph रही पारे पिले, किंतु गोटे paragraph only one topic sentence. गोटे paragraph रे गोटे ही topic sentence रही पारे. जेमती गोटे paragraph रे हमें गोटे ही caption दे परिबा. What is the meaning of caption? Caption means the title of the paragraph. जेमती गोटे paragraph रे हमें गोटे title दे परिबा, सेमती गोटे paragraph रे हमरो गोटे ही topic sentence रहिबो. Now you understood what is the meaning of scheming, what is the meaning of scanning, what is the meaning of topic sentence, what is the meaning of supporting details. Let us discuss about the arrangement of the sentences which is available in your activity 1 in your invitation 3. Let us discuss about this. See, as each paragraph deals with one main idea, reading becomes easy. The reader can understand the points. Okay, so already I told you this one paragraph one point means every each and every means gotiye paragraph jetole rakhiba gotiye when we will write any paragraph, there is a point we have to explain about that point. Each means a paragraph has a point, a paragraph has a topic sentence like this. Here the reader can understand the point. When one main point ends, another begins. One main point and another sentence begins in a paragraph. So there is a paragraph break. What is the meaning of paragraph break? In a paragraph break means you will write down to see how to break the paragraph. Wait 1 minute please. So this is called the paragraph break. See students, here see, this is called the paragraph break. Here this means the gist of this paragraph. In this paragraph, one point is there, one paragraph is also there, but here the point breaks. माने गोटे paragraph को पढ़िबा पई इजी हेबा पई सेला को दीटा paragraph रे ब्रेक करिबा, that is called paragraph break. आमे एटा किछ बुझिबा नै ले, let us discuss about 1.1 paragraph. Let us discuss about activity 1. Okay. How we will arrange the sentences. Each group of sentences below belong to a paragraph, but they are not in a proper order. Okay. So first we will understand the what is the instruction is there in our question. Okay. What is the instruction? Each group of sentences, these are called the group of sentences. Here 4 sentences are there, here 3 sentences are there. Okay. So each group of sentences below belong to a paragraph, but they are not in a proper order. So what is the meaning of proper order? What is the meaning of proper order? Proper order means which is not in a proper sequence में लिखा जाएगी बोली से कहूँगी. So rewrite them in their correct order form a coherent paragraph. So when you will write down the sentences in a proper form, that will make a paragraph, or that we will able to answer this question, that how you will arrange the sentences. Okay. See the first sentence. The day is not far off when there will be a regular space flight to these planets. He is now planning to travel Venus and back. Man has already been to the moon. So, in these 3 sentences, completed. So, in these 3 sentences, first one is in a paragraph writing, we have to understand the meaning of the sentences. The first sentence is, the day is not far off when there will be a regular space flight to these planets. Means, in the first introduction, I explained you that understand the meaning of the paragraph. Okay. First duty is, first we have to understand the meaning of the sentences. Meaning of sentences. Okay. Then we will arrange it in a proper order. The day is not so far. What is the meaning of not so far off? Far off means say dino duro nahi. जेतबे कि रेगुलर स्पेस फ्लाइट्स सब प्लैनेट्स को हे जाइथियो बोली कहा जाउछ. ओके. एंड हियर इट्स ए pronoun. It's a he is now planning to travel to Venus and back. सी एबे प्लानिंग होची ट्रैवल जिबा को एंड बैक Venus जिबा को एंड बैक करियो. Man has already to the moon. So where you will find out the introduction. First we will find out in which sentence the day is not so far. Means जदि beginning रे हमें sentence को रखिबा बेले हमरा आइ किछ मीनिंग अछि. The day is not so far. We are not able to understand the what is the actual meaning of these sentences. Okay. He generally we will not make the sentence in a pronoun. He is now planning to. He refers to whom? Here is a question arises in our mind. He refers to whom? Okay. So we will also not write the second sentence in a. So these 3 sentences, it is not written in a proper order. So how you will arrange it? Let us discuss about this. So the first sentence you will write, the that man has already been to the moon. जेहेतु एटा पिले प्रथम रे टॉपिक को इंट्रोड्यूस कराई आम यहाँ सेंटेंस रो बिगिनिंग रे रखिबा. So the right answer is first we will write down the sheet. Next one is this sentence B, a sentence A and sentence B, which we will write down in the middle part of the paragraph. Sorry, in this arrangement. Second one is he is planning to travel to Venus and back, or the day is not far off when there will be regular space flights to these planets. So हमको अब post sentence हमें second रखिबा. So man has already been to the moon. एठी हमको जणा पड़छि जे एटा तमरो सेंटेंस रो बिगिनिंग होछि बोली, किंतु एई दिटा भितर हमरो कंफ्यूजन होछि जे को जिनसटा को हम बिगिनिंग रे रखिबा, कोडा को एंड, कोडा को मिडिल रे रखिबा, कोडा को एंड रखिबा. सो एठी सेकंड सेंटेंस रे कोन देछि बिले he is now planning to Venus and back, माने man has already been to the moon, but second sentence he is now planning travel to Venus and back, and the day is not so far. So the answer is C, B, A. So already I told you that in the arrangement of the sentences we have to understand the meaning, then write the answer. Okay, thank you students.